Thank you for joining me. I'm actually out on the road today looking at a couple of properties that we've just put together in one of our portfolios. Actually, a couple of portfolios on this. And one of the things that we're seeing as a trend, because we've now moved into a presumptive seller's market from a buyer's market in commercial real estate, is that many of the prices are really high, okay? So how do you combat that? Well, let's go to the vault, and we're going to look at 6 ways to combat higher prices in the market. All right, thanks for joining me. This channel is all about helping you become a better investor in commercial income generating property. And in order to do that, you have to control at least one of the following 4 areas. You have to have at least the real estate or the rights to real estate, or what we call real property. You have to have knowledge of real estate. You also have to have the money, of course, and then an end user in mind. All right. Now, this particular video covers the knowledge section. And what we're going to do here is we're going to look at 6 different ways to combat high prices in a seller's market. All right, so here we go. The first way is to simply change the investment. So you either decrease the investment in the purchase, or you're going to have to make it up on the future sale. Well, since we know more about today than we do about tomorrow, it's much better to try to negotiate a lower price for the building. All right, so you lower your investment. All right, and the second way is to actually increase the rents. All right, and the third way is to decrease the expenses. Now, I think it's going to be a little hard to make up for big shortfalls with savings of expenses, but you never know. And of course, the fourth way is a hybrid approach. Look for all 3. Try to decrease your investment in the price of the building, or increase the sale of the building down the road. Do things for that. Might be going in and putting in a new parking lot, or redeveloping the property to a higher, better, best use. That might get you a higher price at the end, plus more rents, and of course, increase rents. All right. All right. And the 5th way is to simply not invest right now. Okay. The 6th way is to actually go out and hire a buyer's broker, or an investor's broker, someone who actually specializes in that side of the transaction, in order to help you with the previous 5 reasons. All right, and give you advice on that. Okay, I hope this video was informative for you. If it was, give us the like button, and then subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notifications. We've got a lot of videos that are coming out that are really good with respect to commercial investing. And so you want that bell notification so you can get the alerts on that. All right, have a great day.